Hello, my name is Beatriz and I'm going to explain this booklet. The service sector. The service sector are two types. Private sector. Private sector make money. Public sector. Public sector provide a service. Transport. Roads. All Spain are connected by roads. Railway. Major cities and towns are also connected by railway. Su- Suburban trains. Suburban trains connect cities with the surrounding area. Underground transport. Madrid, Bilbao, Barcelona and Valencia have underground transport. Airport. There are airports in most cities. I hope you understand and you like this video. Goodbye. Hello, my name is Beatriz and I'm going to explain this booklet. The service sector. The service sector are two types. Private sector. Private sector make money. Public sector. Public sector provide a service. Transport. Routes. All the Spain are connected by roads. Railway. Major cities and towns are also connected by railway. Suburban trains. Suburban trains connect cities with the surrounding areas. Underground transport. Madrid, Bilbao, Barcelona and Valencia have underground transport. Airport. There are airports in most cities. I hope you understand and like this video. Goodbye.